Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you see weekly chart of TCS, we can easily draw a trend line up to current market price, and this is a support level as indicated by multiple long wick candles on a weekly time chart. If we go to lower time frame, specifically daily chart, you can see right here that this is a decent support level which is equal to 2670. But currently if you just take into consideration these three candles right here, 2700 act as a strong support level. So what we are going to do is that we are going to buy TCS about 2750, and you are likely going to see decent resistance from sellers at around 2773 or 2775. If TCS manages to pass the test, or buyers comes in at this particular level, and if it goes about 2775, I cannot see anything stopping buyer from achieving this high, which is equal to 2885. So we are looking for a profit of around 130 points in next week, which is for the week of 7 to 11 December. But if you look at the weekly range of the candle, you can see right here, the weekly range is around 120 or 130 points. So in next week, this target is highly likely. Only thing which is going to stop is 2775. That you have to watch it carefully. Thank you for watching.